Good morning, guys. Here are we at Camora. It's around 8 in the morning, so we just woke up, prepared ourselves, and we're going to Denpasar. We have around 35 minutes from him to university office, so see you there. Morning. So, we want to extend visa.
Already apply?
Yes.
Okay, so ticket number for the people.
Okay.
Okay, you can go inside and turn right, okay?
Thank you so much. Okay. 100. Now it's 93.
Ticket number C113. Please go to photo.
So we are already done. 9:38. It was quick. Okay, so let's finish this story about visa extension. The first thing you need to do is go online. I will leave the link in the description and you apply for visa extension. I will show you quickly how it's been done. You just need to type e-visa immigrancy on Google. You just type this, then open this first website, and this is their official website. It looks like this, and here you have apply, payment, download, track your visa, or submit arrival card now. So there is also here this part, extend visa. So you click there, extend my visa, and then you just need to input these three stuff. So passport number, nationality, and also date of birth. So after you put those things, let me just do it by myself. It gives you this pop-up, and if you scroll all the way on the right side, you can find the bottom one is from the last year, and the first one is from this year. So my status is already paid, but there is a drop down here, and you click that drop down and it says extend visa. So we did it on Saturday, so today is Monday, so 2 days ago. You need a return flight or some flight outside of Indonesia. We again booked a flight to Singapore. Yeah, that's the only thing you need. You pay also around 30 euros. It's 500,000 Indonesian rupiah, so it's around 30 euros. And you receive email. It looks like this, and it says here with these red letters, it says that the next step in the application process, you're required to visit your local immigration office to complete the photo capture procedure, and please ensure that this is done within a maximum of 3 working days from the date of this notification. So we had this notification Saturday, so until Wednesday I think we needed to go to the immigration office. We did this morning, so we went from here. You saw all the trip to immigration, and it was really fast. So you don't need to schedule anything. You just go there, and when you come, there is officers who are staying and asking you what you want to do to apply for visa, extend, or whatever. So you just say that you want to extend, that you already apply it online, and they give you the number for waiting in a line. We sat there for less than 20 minutes, I think. I had on video when we came and when we finished everything. So we just went inside, they just took a picture and asked us for a return flight. We said that we have flight on 4th December from Denpasar to Singapore, and that's it. They also said that we will get confirmation email between 5 working days. I also asked because our visa is expiring tomorrow, so we will receive maybe on Friday the confirmation email for the extended visa, and they said that's not an issue. The important thing is that you apply for the extension in period when your visa is still valid. So this is pretty much simple process. There is a lot of agency online that charges you 50-100 euros to do this stuff for you, and guys, it's pretty easy. You just need to go on their official website, apply it online, and then go only once at the immigration office, and they took your picture, and it's 20 minutes. So if you have any more questions regarding these extensions, please let me know. This is valid for people from Serbia. As I said, we are from Serbia. I'm not sure how it's for your country. You just need to check out, but I think if you're getting this visa on arrival, it's pretty much the same. So back to review and unboxing. So this is Sentra Photo. I will just like stop by here to grab a tripod because I ordered it a few days ago and I was not able to pay online, so I needed to come here. Either way, Jack would like just take it here and bring it to my place. I ordered a tripod on name Andrea and I came to take it and I paid.
Oh, you already paid for your tripod?
No, I didn't. I was not able to pay online. Yes, that's right.
700 ini ya beli ya? Langsung buat?
Alright, big one. And that's a battery or?
Yeah, it's the better, so if you didn't, and it just directly cold from here.
From here. Oh yeah, it's really cold. I'm a huge fan of this Ulanzi stuff.
Oh yeah.
I really like. I don't
Because-
think I have it from Ulanzi, I think.
Because for the Ulanzi is on the mid-range, but the quality, as you can see, it's...
Yeah, it's really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. We came to just pick up the tripod and we bought 2 more stuff. I will show you later what I bought. Because we didn't have breakfast this morning, we are going straight to Krate, of course, to eat something and then we'll go back to Camora. Morning.
How are you, brother?
Great, you?
Good, thank you.
So for today, one omelette rollover. Yes, and one infusion, dragon lime. I'm talking about this fan called Fan Life 7. Good. It's really good. See you, bye bye. Bye bye. So, this cafe is close to our apartment and also is close to Krate. So, And this is how I shoot the POV shots with this Telesim neck mount. It's pretty light, if you ask me. I mean, this is really good quality. It's some silicone or something, and it goes right behind your neck. And this is detachable, so you just click here, and this gets detached. Also, this part here can be detached. Turn it on the left, and then it's just easy, but I cannot do it with one hand. And again, put it back, turn it left, and it's left. There is also these 2 dots, they need to be aligned. Okay, here we are. So this is Step Club Paddle Project. So next year, here will be paddle first. I think I can be the brand ambassador for Ulanzi because I have a lot of their stuff. Trust me, guys, I don't know. I think this is the 3rd or 4th product that I buy this year here in Bali. Also, I bought last year this tripod where my camera is standing, a lot of lights, I don't know, too many stuff. So I will speak in these vlogs because last year I didn't spoke a lot about the products and I don't know, comparing the price and quality, I think this is like the best that you can buy for this amount of money because it's pretty much cheap. Here in this company, Sentra Photo, I'm getting these products for I think less than I can afford in AliExpress, for example, because you can buy this on AliExpress and it can like be shipped to your country. I bought last year the old version of this Ulanzi fan and it was not a good one, so it couldn't like stick good to camera and it fall down like twice and then the fan got destroyed and stopped working. So this is like the newest version and they said it's pretty damn good. So I will just do unboxing and I will mount to camera so you will be able to see how it looks. And also the second one that I bought is this Ulanzi Tripod. I needed to order this one because they didn't have it in store. They gave me discount like 10 euros and for this one they said they couldn't because the margin was too high. Let's start with the fan. So it comes in this really nice box. So we got this user manual here. There is this cable. This is the most important thing. This is the fan itself. So it looks like this. And it has this part here with got stick to the camera, and this is the like cold part of it, which cools down the camera, and the fan is all the way back. The third thing here is a battery, and it just got stick like this to each other, and it looks like this. It's a bit heavy, if you ask me. I didn't expect this. Yeah, the fan is running, and also it has it has just 2 speeds, and this auto, but you can feel from here, you see, I'm not sure if you're able to see, but it's you see, it's like really cold. It's like it came out from the fridge. So it's cooling pretty good. Okay, I will mount it so you see how it looks on camera now. I just need to open display and then stick this part here, and I think that's it. Yeah, it's pretty good aligned from each side. It's a bit bigger. I mean, the older version that I had didn't have this battery extension, but this means that it can last longer. Also, this means that this can be like, this can work without the battery. I think that this doesn't have the battery inside. I need to check, and this can be charged with like external battery or something. And yeah, it's pretty good. So let's turn it on. Probably I need to turn this on first. Yeah, this battery then turns on the fan. This is first level, second, and there's also this auto. Probably it recognizes the heat from camera, and then in that way adjusts the fan and the cooling. So yeah, I mean, in this way you can get like from A6700 FX30 camera, like without like buying it, you can get it with this Ulanzi extension. And if you ask me, I think this is way better option. I mean, this is a way better hybrid camera, like for photo and video, because it has much more megapixels. Let's just do one more unmount. Okay, yeah, this is pretty like tough. And here you can see how cold it is. You see? Yeah, it's like we got it from the fridge. Okay, let's turn it off. This one, probably I need to hold it. Yeah. Okay, let's continue with tripod. So I will do it like this. It's way better, I think, than putting on the table. So it has this bag. Bag is okay. I mean, not some like premium quality. And this is the tripod. Honestly, I thought it's a little bit smaller. I think it has 40 centimeters like this when it's folded, and it can go up to 160, I think, centimeters. So I am 185, and this is, I think, the same height as me. So I was wrong when I was saying how much it can be extended. Let me show you how camera looks on it. So I got this screwed here on camera, and then I just need to mount it. Okay, and when you see this expanded here, it means it's locked. That's how it looks. I mean, pretty good. Also, it has this like 360 degrees, like left and right, which is great. And also it has this ball head, like I said, with which can be put like vertical. So yeah, I'm really satisfied with the quality and everything. So this is the first video I'm filming with camera mounted on this tripod. It's amazing that I can put on the same eye level as I am, so the height is great. Also I can lift it much higher, so it can probably use for top-down shots. But trust me guys, for 35 euros, honestly, you cannot buy better tripod than this. Anyway, my vacation is finished, so today is my first working day from here in Bali, and I need to grab my laptop and prepare for first working day. I hope I gave you a lot of like important information regarding the visa extension. I'll show you a little bit regarding these gadgets I'm using for traveling, and I see you in the next video. Bye.